Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Wednesday, the 19th of September. The euro has been weakening as market participants start assessing the situation with Spain. The troubled nation has been expected to officially ask for help from the eurozone, but it hasn't done so far, and this raises questions. It is important to note that the European Central Bank will not purchase bonds for any nation if it doesn't proceed with an official request for help. The euro dropped against the US dollar from 131.08 to 130.46. The 130 area is expected to provide considerable support to the single currency. The British pound has been appreciating across the board ahead of the release of the Monetary Policy Committee latest meeting minutes. Investors will be looking for direction as to the Bank of England intention for additional asset purchasing. The US dollar is strengthening versus the Japanese yen following the Bank of Japan unexpected decision to extend its asset purchasing for another 6 months and boost the easing by 10 trillion Japanese yen. Oil had a sharp $4 drop against the greenback on Monday, down to 94.67, an area where strong support keeps the commodity from recording lower lows. The crude oil inventories due later today at 14:30 GMT should provide a catalyst for either a rebound or a breakout. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 131 with a preference to enter in short positions at 131. The dollar-yen pivot points at 78.45 with a preference to enter into long positions at 78.45. The Aussie dollar pivot points at 104.80 with a preference to enter into short positions at 104.80. The sterling dollar pivot points at 162 with a preference to enter into long positions at 162. And the dollar CAD pivot points at 0.9720 with a preference to enter into long positions at 0.9720. Looking at commodities and indices, the oil pivot point is at 97.50 with a preference to enter into short positions at 97.50. The gold pivot points at 1762 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1762. The silver pivot point at 34.30 with a preference to enter into long positions at 34.30. The US 500 is at 1455 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1455, and the UK 100 is at 5835 with a preference to enter into long positions at 5835. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And on the calendar, the market movers are the UK Monetary Policy Committee meeting minutes had all 9 members voting to keep the rate unchanged at 0.5. Swiss zoo economic expectations forecast to come out at minus 33.3. US housing starts in August forecast at 0.796 million. And the US crude oil inventories forecast to increase by 0.2 million. Our interesting pair is the silver dollar, with silver resuming its week-old uptrend yesterday, rising from 34.2408 to 34.7663, a 1.31 daily appreciation. The pair lies above its previous long-term resistance at 33.20, but approaches a rising trend line from below. The previous resistance is expected to act as a support in case the precious metal retraces. It's been your daily outlook. I'm Emma Andrea from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager is waiting for you now.